What's good, y'all? It's your girl Deshay. I'm back with another YouTube video. So as y'all see from the title today, I would just be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. I don't, well, let me back up. I haven't been doing my eyebrows a lot lately, and I don't know, I need to start back because I was a beast. Like, check out the slasher. Check out the slasher. Enough of that. You feel me? But look, it's like when I do my eyebrows, you know, it's just like me, like, you feel me? I just know I'm that nigga. But I ain't even finna do too much talking. I'm finna just get right into the video. But before I get into the video, what's good?
You were supposed to be getting a diaper.
Yeah, she buzzed right on me.
I see.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, cool.
Say sorry.
That's rough.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
I think she got scared to go that way, and then she might have heard you. I told her to get a diaper, and then as soon as she was whatever, she turned around real quick and ran. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I might keep this in the video, and I will keep a little bit from the thing so you feel me.
Bye-bye.
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 Oh.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for stopping by. Alright, so as y'all know, that was Red from Topic TBL and Pooh from High Poo Poo High. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to their channel. The link will be in the description below, and I will also drop their names right here on the screen. But like I was saying, I'm gonna just, you feel me? I need to stop slacking with doing my eyebrows. Make sure y'all smash that like button before we get this video started. Subscribe, catch the vibe, hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. We're just gonna get straight into this video. So first off, I just like to brush my eyebrows out. Oh, I should say, first off, I cut my eyebrows a few days ago with this electric eyebrow cutter I got, and I got it from Walmart, and it works pretty good. But yeah, you know, just brush my eyebrows, nothing too hard. It's like this part of my, you know, this part of the eyebrows like to stick, and I don't like that. I don't like that. And I'm gonna go in with my pencil. I have so many, I do not know which one my favorite, honestly. I had a favorite, but then it'd be like, when I go to use it, it'd be like, where's the other one? And I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is use all of my best brow pencils that I have, and I'm gonna do something a little different. So this one is a dark brown. I'm gonna definitely fill out the back of my eyebrows with the dark brown, and I want it to lighten up as I go to the front, which is, this is the lightest brown I got, but really I'm gonna use this for a corrector if I have to. And I think this is black. I'm not gonna use black because black is always too dark. Like something bit me. Skeeter flying around here. I'm like, there's she. Disregard the last stuff I said. I probably left the dang fool. I don't know why this is even in my stuff. I don't even think that's mine. So yeah, I'm gonna just be using these three. They all brown, different shades. This is light brown, this is brown, this is dark brown. So I'm gonna use the dark brown to fill out the back of my eyebrow. I'm gonna use the regular brown to draw my lines. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this light brown to draw the outline of my eyebrows so that, you know, if I have to fix it, it wouldn't really be noticeable because, you know, hold on, give me a second. So I'm gonna just hold my hand and then the mirror here so I can be a little more in tune, because I was gonna look at the mirror that's over this way and behind the camera, but that's just like too far for me, you know. So yeah, here we go. But yeah, I don't know why I'd be waiting so late at night to do this. I really be wanting somewhere to go. I can't wait to start traveling. Speaking of which, if y'all did not catch my blog to going to Arizona, make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. I actually had a lot of fun and it was pretty cool, and I got on a plane for the first time and I met Mila 4K. So yeah, they look pretty even to me. So for those of you who are new on my channel, if you don't know, the eyebrows are going to start off a little messy. Not for everybody. Some people got that good touch. Oh, y'all, this is the pencil I wanted to show y'all. First of all, it got 3 brush strokes. So like hair-like strokes on your eyebrow so it can be easier and everything. I love this one. I had bought this from Walgreens and I had lost it for a long time, and I like just recently found it. Not like that long, but like, yeah, it was. How could I forget? Y'all see my shirts. Rugrats, yes. Susie and Angelica. Rugrats, 90s babies. If you're a 90s baby, leave a comment. Shout out to us, you feel me? 1997. I'm only 22. See, I really like this because it don't do too much and it don't do too less. And while I'm doing my eyebrows, it's straightening out my hair. It's like I said, my hair like to clump up or like to gather up in one spot often. So it really helps the lines and it help it look more natural to me. So you ain't do me, you did the old body. I should do a TikTok doing that. So I had this brush set for the longest, but I will be opening it now. So I can use this one. So yeah, then I'm going ahead and just conceal my. Can y'all spot the difference now? But yes, I done concealed my eyebrows. Just went along the lines like this and just made them as thin as I wanted them to be. And I think it's because of where the light at. That's probably why I can't really see, so I'm just, hold on. And there you have it, natural looking eyebrows. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Catch the vibe. Hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post. While I post on my channel, it's only being lit from here. So while I'm filming this, I'm giving you guys a full makeup video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. It will be posted next. So see you there.
Side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no mind. You could be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, running for a new life.